What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the Clear Cryptos educational channel. My name is T. Haas from the Crypto Shop. And of course, I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
Ladies and gentlemen, we are here back at the Clear Cryptos educational channel, and we are discussing more information for the future. Recently, Coinbase came under fire by the SEC, and it was kind of interesting because Coinbase was under the impression, or at least we got the impression, that Coinbase was under the impression that they were doing things basically by the book. Well, the SEC kind of threw them a curveball, let them know that they would be serving them with certain paperwork. And now I don't think it's a coincidence that Coinbase is actually looking to lobby politicians that are pro crypto. So, Justin, let's go ahead and get into this story, man, and we'll let you guys, discuss it later.
Yeah, so this sounds like some real FTX type ish right here, right? But yeah, so Coinbase is going to start donating to pro crypto candidates in the US. So Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong has stated the exchange intention to donate to pro crypto candidates in the US. Moreover, the statement arrives a day after the company received a Wells notice from the SEC. Specifically, Armstrong urged crypto users to elect pro-crypto candidates, additionally noting that the exchange would be working to organize crypto users to support candidates who could positively impact the industry as a whole. Since its inception, the issue between the digital asset industry and regulation have been a constant discourse. Now, as the SEC has ramped up its enforcement against crypto companies, one of the largest US exchanges has taken a stand to speak for industry in the political sphere. Specifically, Coinbase CEO has announced the exchange's intention to start donating to the candidates. Armstrong called on listeners in a recent Twitter space to begin using their voice in the political realm. What we're going to do is start putting out content where people can contact their congressmen, donate to pro-crypto candidates, and show up at town halls and make your voice heard, Armstrong stated. So it kind of sounds like he wants other people to do the donating, but we'll see. We are going to elect pro-crypto candidates in this country and make sure that our success is ensured. The decision follows Coinbase reception of the Wells notice and preceding potential enforcement action taken against the exchange, and that they're in the crosshairs, so they're trying to take political action to fight the SEC. Now, I don't know. I'm kind of pro and con with this, right? I think that there needs to be two sides, because there's two sides to every coin, right? We need pro crypto candidates who want to do the right thing for crypto, but the keyword is the right thing, right? And in Congress, there are people there who aren't there to do the right thing. But also, I think you need those proponents to kind of look at the other side of things too. It's a balance, right? There's a yin and a yang, a light and a dark. And I think we need to strike that balance. Everything can't just be pro, because at some point, these pro people are going to be looking to take advantage of everybody in crypto at some point, in my opinion. But what do you think?
I actually think this is a good thing. I think this sets a standard moving forward in regards to politics. We all know how this works. If we want regulation, if we want things to change in the crypto space, it's going to start with the government. Eventually, the government is going to come in and take over crypto. The best thing that we could do is start to get politicians kind of understanding that crypto has a voice. At our very, very core, we are a community. Crypto started as being in a community. Therefore, the community needs to do its part to expand into the political, quote unquote, community. It may suck. It may sound shady, but that's the way the game is played. I think that it's more important for us to expand than to stay stagnant and do nothing, because otherwise we'll be kind of left in the dust and people won't be able to hear our voice. So that being said, I'd love to hear what you guys think in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Come on back over here to the Clear Cryptos educational channel to hear our thoughts on other stories upcoming. That being said, my name is T. Hobbs. That guy down there is Jay Seals, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.